Welcome to Promote Future English Library. Learn, practice and sign with us. Yesterday, Maya learned that nouns are the names of everything. But imagine saying those names again and again. It gets tiring. This is Maya. Maya has a toy. Maya loves this toy. Oh, this sound is strange. Yes, Maya, you are repeating your name like a parrot. Don't worry, Maya. Here comes the magic of pronouns. Pronouns replace nouns so we don't repeat them. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. I am Maya. I have a toy. I love it. Wow, that sounds much better. Ram is playing. He is playing. Sita is singing. She is singing. Ram and Sita are friends. They are friends. My name is Maya. I am Maya. This is a rabbit. It is a rabbit. See, pronouns save us from repeating nouns again and again. So remember, pronouns replace nouns to make sentences smoother. In next episode, Maya will learn the accent heroes of grammar. Verbs. Subscribe now and keep learning with joy.